Hello and welcome to Cooking with Mac. Today we made some sausage stuffed pancakes, and here they are. So once you watch my video, I'd appreciate you give me a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and that way you get a notification the next time I make a video. So let's get cooking. Thank you. Okay, first off we're going to cook our sausages. These are pre-cooked. All you have to do is heat them up actually. Get in the frozen food section, Walmart or any in the stores. They're very tasty. Pre-cooked makes it very easy. And after they're cooked, we need to let them cool down a little bit. Then we're going to take the excess grease off of them so that the pancake batter will stick to them better. They might be okay. Okay, I'm just going to take a paper towel and pat them a little bit to get the extra grease off. Then we'll come back, we'll dip them in the pancake batter and fry them on our grill. We'll also cut our heat down a little bit. Okay, we're back. I've patted the patties dry. They cooled down a little bit. We're putting some oil down. That's regular olive oil. Get that spread out. Now we're going to take the patty. I have thick pancake batter. Put the patty in the batter. Coat both sides real good. That was the idea of taking the grease off of it so the batter would stick better. It takes a couple minutes to get that in there. I'm going to have a lot of batter left. This was 1 cup of batter, 3/4 cup of water. I was using self-rising flour, and all I added to it was 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking soda and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Throw a little extra batter on top of these. Just to keep the sausages covered up. Okay, he could have stayed on a little longer. Let's flip him over. We'll give them another minute on this side. There we go. We'll cook the second side for a little bit, then we'll flip them back over that first side to make sure we got all the batter cooked. There's no eggs or anything in there, so we don't have to worry about that. Since I'm wasting the batter, got enough for one pancake there. We'll get him cooked up. Yeah, they're going to take a couple more minutes to cook. It'll bring the heat up a little bit. Taking a little longer than normal to cook these today. I think I turned my grill down too far. Take our one pancake off. And we'll plate up our two sausage stuffed pancakes. Put a little bit of butter on there and some maple syrup. We got it made. Enjoy.